Guys, this is a 2017 Tesla Model X P100D all-wheel drive. This is the Performance Edition, 535 horsepower, 712 foot-pounds of torque. This thing's a rocket. It's got rear fin here. It's got the 22-inch turbine wheels with the big red brakes. Power doors. Third row. Power third row. Favorite feature, you put your foot on the brake and the door automatically shuts. Here's all your options with the autopilot. Volume controls. I love the streaming app. You can just pick the genre of your music, flip through whatever genre you want. One of my favorite options on here. It does have heated seats. This has, you can lower and higher all your suspension. This has the Ludicrous Plus edition. This is about a $20,000 upgrade. Has autopilot, drive steers, put on your blinker, it'll switch lanes for you. So 31,000 miles on it. Cool little options they have. Christmas dance is really cool. This is the fireplace mode, I guess. If you want to kind of make it a little more intimate, start playing some smooth jazz. Really cool. This doesn't have a sunroof, but the glass comes all the way up to the above your head. So if you're looking up, look straight up to the sky. We got really cool LED lights. Swing up doors are pretty cool. Big old red brake there. In the third row. Smart key. This is a rebuilt title, did have a little front end damage. We do offer a 3-year warranty through TJ Chapman Auto only. Done here at the dealership, so if you're interested, talk to us about that 3-year warranty. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.